Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making the coconut pandan waffles. Here are all the ingredients. I'll be listing this on the bottom of the description. If you want to get the cup, I'll list that on the Amazon store. It's going to be below as well. First you want to get a piece of butter and microwave it for about 30 to 40 seconds. Right here. And then you're going to get a cup of the coconut cream. It's 17.8 flour ounce. A cup of sugar. You can add a cup and a half if you want it sweeter. Um, and then get a teaspoon of the pandan flavoring. Next you want to add 2 eggs to it. And then get about a teaspoon of butter. Also add the 1 teaspoon of the baking powder. Mix it together. Mix it well until it gets green, about here. You're going to add 2 cups of the multi-purpose flour. Mix it. You can add the vanilla sugar before or here. Either way, about half a bag, 1 teaspoon. And mix it. And once it gets about here, you're going to add the a cup of the shredded coconut. Mix it well. Mix it so all the coconut spread out. Okay, here we are, about ready to cook. Alright, I'm going to put the coconut oil in first. You can put it on both sides if you don't want it to stick, or just on the bottom. It's fine. And either get half a cup or depending on how you like it. I mean, if you want to make it perfect, try to put it in evenly and spread it out. Depends on the type of toaster you're going to use. Okay, and then put it in for about 5 minutes. It depends on how brown you want it to be. We just like it like this. If you want it browner, you can leave it for a little bit longer. Just kind of go back and forth and check on it, and then you're going to flip it to the other side, and then you're done. Right here, here's the finished product.